Hi, I'm Carol Kavanagh. I live and work in Newquay in Cornwall. I work part-time as a life coach and counselling supervisor, and I also work part-time in the substance misuse field and have been for the last 23 years, which was one of the reasons I sought out NLP training in the first place. I felt so blessed when the NLP training came to Cornwall 17 years ago, because I knew from my research that I needed to do some training in NLP. And I went on to learn ways of promoting change, even for the more damaged personalities that I work with. As a single mother at that time, travelling out to Cornwall would have been very difficult. It may be impossible for me. So to be able to enrol on a training course at my local college was such a privilege. When I met Elizabeth and Joseph and began the 20-day NLP training course, I knew that it would provide me what I needed. I was able to learn an array of techniques that I continue to use today. Through practicing these techniques on the course and over the years since, I've also learnt a lot about myself. I went on to complete a Master Practitioner a few years later with Zetetic, and I use all the skills the program taught me in both my professional and my private life. There was different people on that first 20-day course that they offered in Cornwall. People from all walks of life and different experiences who did the training for very different reasons. The diversity of my peers and the issues we explored enriched the journey and helped me become the mother and practitioner I am today. I feel my children have also benefited from indirectly from me having this training while they were growing up. It introduced them to a deeper level of knowledge about how the brain works and why they think the way that they think. So if you're thinking about enrolling on an NLP course, you will not regret training with Zetetic. I highly recommend Joseph and Elizabeth as highly qualified and experienced trainers. Thank you. Bye.